I don't want to show my armpits. Oh, wait, I shaved today. It's okay.
What's up, guys, and welcome to Tasty Tracks. This is a show where we listen to albums, we talk about the albums, and then we tell you our tastiest track from the album. My name's Jensen.
My name's Kelly.
And we are going to talk to you today about H.E.R.
H.E.R.
The album from last year. It was released almost exactly a year ago. August 30th, 2019. I Used to Know Her. Second album of hers. And this was Kelly's idea. Tell me, Kelly, why is it that you wanted to do this one?
I just did. I just like to talk about artists that I like. I like to talk about artists I don't like, but we don't have a show about that because it's not nice.
No, I won't let us have
Jen
a show
said it's
about
not
that.
nice, so we don't do it.
I've missed you. We haven't talked in a while.
You look like a t-ball player, and I look like some type of beat poet. A turtleneck. All right, you go first this time.
Mine is Lord Is Coming.
I knew it.
What I love about it is that there is still hope in the song. It is not relying on the men who are destructive to solve the problem, but then a power greater than ourselves to come and fix and rescue. And I think that to have that sense of hope is really, really important. And it's really, really important right now. It goes into the depth of the pain and how really dysfunctional it's been for so many people for so long. But there is something about the idea of hope, that there's hope somewhere.
Yeah, it's not just a completely pessimistic F the world song, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Which she has every reason to write.
Yeah.
Every single reason in the world to write. It just crescendos in such a beautiful way that I wasn't expecting. I think that's the whole thing too, is like each new layer, each new thing, I wasn't expecting where it was gonna go.
Yeah.
And that to me is the most important thing of a song, of like, tell me a story.
My tasty track was Carried Away, which was the first song that I heard off this record. I Shazammed it on the radio. Just makes me feel like I'm lounging on a boat somewhere. And I like the song because I like it and it's good.
It's because I noticed with this one, just that guitar intro immediately. I was like, hello.
Beautiful. It's just beautiful. It's a beautiful summer song. I just want to like sip a White Claw and sit on a boat while I listen to it.
What's a White Claw? What's a White Claw?
What's a White Claw?
It's really. I know you don't drink, but like, come on.
What
A
is
White
a
Claw
White Claw?
it's like.
Is that the one with milk in it?
No, it's like a soda water, but it's like spiked soda water. It's fruity.
What's the drink with milk in it?
A White Russian?
Oh, yeah.
Very different. White Russians are not trending.
Let's talk a little bit about why we don't play the songs in the videos, because we've had some complaints about it. And I know YouTube complaints are legit complaints, right?
100%. Okay, I put in an Instagram post. Any questions or concerns, go straight to Jen. So, you did.
You did. And part of the reason why we don't play it is we don't have the rights to the songs, and we're not going to take them illegally and try to make money off of them or profit off of them. And we want to make sure that you guys go to Spotify, iTunes, YouTube, and listen to the songs, because the numbers make a difference. When you're streaming it, when you buy it, when you watch it on YouTube and you like and you comment and subscribe to the artist, no matter how big or small they are, popular or not, like that makes a difference. So we want you guys to go and you guys to listen instead of us just playing a little clip and profiting off of it.
Look, we're really wealthy. we don't want to take money from other people. But really, go
them.
listen to their stuff, because especially since no one's able to play live shows right now, you know, the numbers matter more than ever. The streams, everything that you can do to contribute.
Buy shirts and pins and buttons and buy them for your friends. This is my, you can't see it, woo! This is my tattoo artist, Jessie D Tattoo. This is her stuff that she came up with for quarantine.
I love that shirt. I want that shirt. If you have tasty tracks that you want to hear, put them in the comments or send us a message and say nice things about us and our hair.
That's how you were more likely to do the album that you requested if you say nice things about us.
Look, we need a lot of validation. You know, I had an idea. It's gone. Get it together, Kelly. Do you think that this operation we're running is going to be able to get the rights to fucking Lizzo? You think we're just going to fucking call her? Come on. Come on, Laura, or whatever your name is.
It's not.
Bloop, bloop, bloop.